Now, after session 3, what happened this slide? Session 4. In session 4 of Sexology program is again this 10 to 12 chapters, male orgasmic disorder. You must know the male and female sexual cycle in details. Female sexual arousal disorder, female orgasmic disorder, vaginismus, dysphoria, painful coitus, sexuality in aging. Most of the time patient feels that as age advances, testosterone is reduced and sex drive is reduced, but you can maintain it natural way as well as by supplement of testosterone injection 250 mg once or twice in a month for 3 to 4 injection therapy over. Sexuality in aging, sex in some common conditions, premarital guidance is again the part of our counseling and sexuality education and sharing with you. These are the total tour of program and syllabus designed with the help of all the doctors, students and the course material. Now practical assignment, generally we advise how to boost up natural testosterone, because if the testosterone increase strong erection, you can maintain your testosterone at the age of 60 or even 70 also, so that you can have the sexual intercourse in that age easily without any pills, Viagra and other things. Healthy heart, decrease body fat. Most of the time patient comes after the age of 30, they started diabetes or hypertension, then diabetes, then hypertension, then sexual desire reduce gradually. So why you keep yourself fit? The very simple things. Why diabetes happened? Why blood pressure happened? Because of your overweight. Fat. Means stop taking sugar. Very, very important things. If you stop taking sugar, because sugar digests first and absorbed in the body, that goes glycemic load increase. Glycemic load, they go to the liver and liver distribute the energy wise glucose everywhere, your kidney, heart, liver and other body functions. Excess of the glucose converted to lipids in the fat in your body, that is visceral fat around the various organs, viscera, like kidney, heart and others, liver and so on, and remaining fat on the abdominal, subcutaneous abdomen. So always start ideal, whether your patient is ideal weight or not. How to calculate ideal weight? Because I am an LIC panel, I know ideal weight. They taught first day what is the height of the patient. Suppose 170 centimeter minus 100, that is 70 kg. So the LIC premium will not increase. That the way 70 kg is upper limit. What is the ideal weight? Again minus 7, 10% of that means 7 kg, means 62 or 63 to 70 kg is the ideal weight. Maintain your ideal weight throughout the life. You will not get the problem of cardiac, you will not get the problem of diabetic. You will be always normal. So high glycemic index, particularly of the food, that is the glucose, fructose, and fructose has more, 150 and other, and all these things, even your sugar and jaggery and honey, stop taking this. Most of the time patient come, sir, I am not taking sugar but I am taking honey. What is the difference? Or don't take honey, that also is in the form of fat. But the glucose is dangerous, sugar is dangerous. Glucose is need your body, but excess sugar excess glucose, anything in excess apart from your ideal weight is dangerous. Then treat your sugar like a cocaine. Just the cocaine side effects is the sugar side effect more than cocaine. So stop taking sugar in the tea. Stop taking ice cream 2-3 cups. Take ice cream half cup and all. But enjoy the food more on the proteins. My patient most of the time says, sir, after visiting you, I am taking only 1 or 2 idli and 3-4 wati of sambar, high protein. They taught you. Means all my patient gives me techniques and method how to reduce the weight and maintain the weight throughout the life. That is important. Then previously that patient was taking 10 to 12 idli and hardly sambar. Now he is taking only 1 idli and more sambar. Hardly taking falka, wheat, hardly half chapati or 1 chapati and more other things, proteins and raw vegetables and other things, salad and all. Means the role of high protein is important because protein digestion need 4 to 6 hours and glucose digest immediately, sugar digest immediately and absorb in the blood, and if not used by exercise then deposited in the fat. So fat conversion should stop in your body. If you reverse your weight, automatically you can see reversing your blood pressure and diabetes also. Very simple. In the green smoothie and other things you can take very well. Then what you can do, if you reverse back, means when the patient comes to you, you have to give them training about physician training, like reduce your weight is very, very important. And if you have no time, give these all programs to your assistant, receptionist or whomsoever is helping you. They will teach your patient. If you give something more extra to the patient, everyone want extra. Because when we get the frustration, most of the time our expectation is not fulfilled. Suppose your patient expectation is not fulfilled, he goes in frustration. If you say you go and search my reviews on Google and Practo, you can find out 80-90% my reviews are very good. The people said doctor has given me new birth by reducing my weight. Even the patient reduced without surgery 30-50 kg weight in a year. One fellow reduced 10 to 12 kg weight in 1 month. How? I asked him. He said, sir, I am taking 12 eggs in a day. Not yellow part, only the white part. 2 in the breakfast, 4 in a lunch, 4 in a dinner, and no fat, only dal and other things, carbohydrates. I stopped totally and reduced the weight. But it is difficult to maintain. It's better to take a balanced diet. I always advise you, teach them to your patient. Patient will be happy with you, and if you have faith on you, the patient faith is increased more and more. This doctor is very good. He has given very less medicine. A number of times patient come with 10, 12 medicine, 15 medicine, 14 medicine, 4, 5 types of antioxidants, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So I advise them 2 medicine for diabetes, 3 medicine for hypertension and all. Advise them reverse this way so that your load on the heart, kidney functioning will improve well and you can survive hundreds years without any problem. Keep your mind and this conscious mind and subconscious mind free from the stress and tension. Now, my dear, step for good health, step for physics is very important. If there is no good looking, no erection, no desire, no, you are just like a dead. The desire is very important. If you have some motive to work, then you can do the work. Even the Now 90% industry is growing by seating the people at the home, because when I asked IT people, they said, sir, our salaries increased by the our company because we are giving 4 times more work what we are doing previously in the office, chit chatting and other things. Means everywhere there is a scope. You have to decide how to do it. Means good health is very important. Step physics is very important. Stamina that increase if there is no blood pressure, no diabetes. Your mind is free of tension. And always remember, pleasure hormone, sex hormone is very important. When you have pleasure, which hormone secrete? Dopamine. If you want happiness, the which hormone secretes? Serotonin. The dopamine and serotonin both are very good hormones. When you go for sexual act, this increase in your body. If you want long lasting, these hormones in your body secrete naturally, then you must be happy. Means happiness is the step of your meditation. Always be happy. The same thing you apply, whomsoever coming in your contact, be happy, love each other and keep relationship better. That is the things you have to teach your couple counseling program. Now your personality, self personality evaluation, 20 weaknesses and 20 strengths. You have to find out each personality having 20 weaknesses, 20 strengths. There are around 4 personality. Means what? 4 into 2 means 80 weaknesses, 80 strength. You have to find out 80 weaknesses, 80 strength. Need times to duration. We form such assignment program, hardly need 10 to 15 minutes to know this personality of the patient. Now